So this house is amazing so far. I like to pick homes that everybody's going to be comfortable with. Like if he's trying to play with a child and yes, and they're ignoring him, like it's okay, they don't want to play with you. Because my son is so open. We're gonna rush and get out of here because we're late. When you have kids, nothing ever goes as planned. I felt like they oversold the tables and the cabanas trying to make money and messed up our tables. And for food, let me sit down. So I bought these 2 shirts from Amazon. It's from the child's place. They're normally $17.95 and I got them on Amazon on sale for $6.65. I was going to buy Kai's shirt pink already, but the pink shirt is almost $45. So I got him these 2 white shirts, 1 regular white shirt, he can wear whatever, and then this one I'm gonna dye. I also have this dress, and it was supposed to come in a hot pink color, and this is the color it came in. I absolutely hate this color, so I'm gonna try dyeing this tulle and this cotton, and let's see how that goes. I already have the Rit dye in cherry red. Because I'm dyeing tulle, I'm gonna have to do 2 separate buckets.
English is really, really kind of cool.
And I don't want red. I want a pink color, so I'm not gonna put a lot of this. And because I'm dyeing cotton and tulle, one is gonna have vinegar in it and then the other one is gonna have salt. So I'm gonna wet these up in hot ass water.
I just wanna rock, body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Sign up, fuck you, won't kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't on my side. Pick both sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, so up to 5. That's my high.
Project, this ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
So I left the stuff in the water and came back. Shout out to all the pandemic moms that are having to teach their kids social cues and teach them how to get rejected and don't talk to strangers. Like I just had to have a whole conversation with Kai talking about like you're not allowed to eat anything from anybody or take candy or food or anything from anybody. You are not allowed to talk to strangers. And another conversation I have to have with him was how like if he's trying to play with a child and yes, and they're ignoring him, like it's okay, they don't want to play with you. Because my son is so open, carefree, that if he tries to talk to somebody and they don't reply, then he'll just talk to them more, like, and they're still not replying. So I'm having to teach my child how to take rejection, how to be independent. It's a lot. It's a lot. So this is the stuff right here. No shade with it, no. Yes. So I'm prepping birthday stuff, and this is Milani's dress for her birthday. It looks super cute. Way better than what I was thinking, and it comes with a head tie. Yes, I got her a white dress. I haven't got Kai anything for his birthday just yet.
Mommy, can I really have a fries and onions?
Yeah, sure. And then I also got some stuff from Amazon. I'm calling Papa. I'm super shocked with her dress. Her dress actually looked way better in person. I also got myself a white tutu dress like this, but mine was from Fashion Nova. I'm also planning, that's why I'm dyeing the shirts and my dress. That pink dress that I'm dyeing is for our Mother's Day shoot. The last time I had a Mother's Day shoot, I think Milani was about 1 year old. Yeah, she was 1 year old. So I'm going to do, when I was pregnant with her and only had Kai, then when I had her and Kai, and now it's like how it's going. They're a little bit older. So I got this clear thing from Amazon to put wipes in, but this is way too big. I wish this was like half the size. Yeah, that's the I don't know why this thing is so dark, but why is this? Let's see if these fit. Yeah, this is too big. Way too big. I'm gonna have to send it back. Yes. I want something to put my clean club skin napkins in, and I'm gonna cut these in half because honestly these clean scrub napkins are huge. I'm gonna have to send this back. I'm gonna have to send this back. This is too big. Yes, I'm going to come make it. Look what Milani is in the tub. What are you doing?
Hi.
You saying hi, Papa? So, I'm about to go make these kids dinner. So I'll see y'all. So we're going on a little staycation to Miami. And I'm gonna pack mine, Kai's and Milani's clothes up. So yeah. This is the outfit I'm wearing to the party that we're going to.
soul. I'm telling everybody, 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 everybody. I just fell in love. I just quit my job. I'm gonna find a new drive. Damn, they work me so damn hard. Work by 9 and off past 5. And they work my nerves, that's why I cannot sleep at night. Motivation. I'm looking for a new foundation, yeah. And I'm on that new vibration. I'm building my own foundation, yeah. Hold up, oh baby, baby, you won't break my soul. 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 I tell everybody, everybody.
So we have arrived for our little staycation home. We're going out later tonight, and the house that I pick, amazing. I'll do a whole house tour. This is an Airbnb, St. Fort Lauderdale area. Looks amazing. This is the master, so we're packing out our stuff, so excuse that. There's a pool, have a little crib, closet, outfit for tomorrow, well later I should say. And this is the bathroom, double sink, love it. And then yes, this is the second room. Too cute. Third room, bathroom. This is a split 4-plan house like ours. Dining, kitchen, office, even the high chair for Milani.
It's about to run out already.
Me have 4 batteries, so I'm good.
3 battery buttons.
And then the pool area. It's too good. It's too good. And then another room. And then the garage. I haven't gone in here yet. I put it in the fridge, babe.
No. Here, I'm gonna beat you with this.
You're gonna beat me? I don't know how to play pool.
You just hit the white ball, so when I start by hitting it. No, Coco, it's my turn now. This one.
Yeah. Nice. You have TV in here too.
Watch out, this is pool. An actual pool, it doesn't matter what one, it just has to be one.
And there's babe.
Oh, you have
So this house is amazing so far. I like to pick homes that everybody's going to be comfortable with, and also that's a little bit better than our home, because if it's not, then I feel like it's not worth it. And they also have a heated pool, which is a plus. So we're probably gonna go get food and juice and stuff, and I'll see y'all when I'm getting ready. So your girl is ready, but look at my press-ons as I'm getting ready to leave, breaking off. So this is the outfit. Let me put you guys down. rush and get out of here because we're late. When you have kids, nothing ever goes as planned. So we're rushing out of here late. Hopefully we can find parking. Hopefully we get a table. But either way, we're gonna enjoy ourselves. So let's recap last night because we were just telling the kids what happened. Bought a section, $500. We were actually gonna get a cabana, but they didn't have any cabana left. The cabana was $600. We didn't really care. We just wanted our own space. Got our section around 10. We went to go use the bathroom and grab some food because they have food there. Went back to our section. Our drinks, our tracers that we just bought, all gone. We bought a section. When you buy a section, you're supposed to have that section all night. When we went back, there was like 10 or 12 people in our section. Babe asked one of the girls like, what's happening? She said, oh, y'all need to go ask management because they put us here. Well, went back, went to go talk to management. The girl that's supposed to be management, first of all, if your girls did something like that, there should be no argument. There should be no argument, no back and forth. I'm a paying customer. You guys got my money. There should be nothing but apologies and asking to. Baby's telling them what they're doing. So she's arguing about how the bottle was finished. I'll insert the clip that I posted on Instagram before I went to the bathroom of our bottle, our chasers, and we actually ended up buying more chasers before we went to the bathroom because we were going to finish our bottle. It's me and Babe. Finishing a bottle of Ciroc is like nothing to us. So we don't need the extra company. We don't need none of that. We finish a bottle of Ciroc by ourselves all the time. But it normally takes us all night to finish it. So she's arguing back and forth about drinks being finished and blah blah blah, and that's why they move our section and we were taking too long. And this is why black people's business will never prosper, because if this was somewhere else, it's palm colored people, the first thing they would do is apologize and try to make their customers feel better. She is there arguing back and forth with me about the bottle being finished versus not. And it's not like the girls that are bottle girls, well, our bottle girl knew what she's doing. Like, she seemed like she was new. We still tipped her. We got food, tipped her, I think $25 or $30 for a $60 plate of food, or a $50 plate of food. So she come out now with 2 cups, splashing, walking through the venue to bring us back to our seats. Me being me, I'm never going to drink or eat from somebody that was arguing with me for 30 minutes. What do I look like? You can spit in my drink. You can do any type of foolishness with my drink. I am never going to drink that. I bought a bottle. That's what I wanted. Why did y'all move our shit? So we sat there for a little bit and talked a little bit, and then I was ready to go home. Okay. Anytime I'm drinking and something bad happens, I see that as a sign for us to leave. So we left and came home. All in all, do I recommend? Absolutely not. And the reasons are compounding as to why I do not recommend. For one, the thing starts at 8. The event starts at 7. At 7:45 we were still outside and in the line. For 2, 7:45 the DJ still wasn't there. For 3, they moved their bottle and they weren't apologetic about it at all. I felt like they oversold the tables and the cabanas trying to make money and messed up our tables. And for 4, the DJ is okay, but the DJ isn't all that great. I could have played a better R&B set from my YouTube music playlist than that. So do I recommend? No. And I'm gonna insert exactly where the place is and what it's called in this video. So yeah, the kids are outside in the pool chilling, having fun, and I'm about to go back out there because today is actually family day. Yesterday was our day. And there is Babe.
Huh? I thought you was in there playing in your house.
I'm sure you did.
Had to come check. Oh yeah.
I was updating from yesterday because I didn't take up my camera after this morning.
You're not playing it?
No, I'm not playing or nothing.
No.
Nope.
Tell the camera that tonight you have to run a full session. Yes, in this house. I'm dead serious. You fuck how tired you are. You're gonna wake up. We're gonna start out slow. You know, with a little bit of this and that. And then we're gonna get to the heavy stuff.
The heavy stuff.
The booze and all later.
Oh, so.
You know I'm gonna hold.
No, I don't.
You still mad at me?
Yes, I am.
Really?
Yes, really. I am. But I'll get over it. What Michelle Obama say? Sometimes it takes hours, sometimes it takes days.
Yeah. She's stuck with me for life.
Alright, so.
I roll up a split and go test the way you pick it up.
Alright, me just
You want a glass of wine?
Yes, I'm about to drink something.
Okay, I'll open the wine. I'll leave that rock stuff for later.
Oh. See y'all, this is... Oh, I can show you guys the kids from here. I forgot. That's JJ and Malani and Nani and Kai, and Kosi's in the kitchen eating. So today is the last day and your girl is leaving. We're saying bye-bye. Nice while it lasted. Alone no reaching I carry it.
Okay, you think the tripod is your camera?
I don't know, I probably have to check. I washed these on Delicate and this is how the dress look. It came out in the exact same color. Yes. It came out in the exact same color that I wanted it. I'm gonna end up letting some B volume developer.
Mommy.
That I'm gonna dye some here.
Mommy.
But this is what I ended up getting for these. And if you guys don't know, these are my single use Skin Club face towels. I actually started cutting these in half because I felt like they were too big and I was wasting them.
Papa, wait. I want to take it back. And
I need to replace my cotton pads, but see how it looks so far. So I'm gonna end this vlog video here. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
stop talking, Mommy. Mommy.
This girl said to stop talking.
Daddy.
Malani, what are you doing? So I'm gonna end this vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.